Okay. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make these like squishies out of gloves. Out of really disgusting ingredients, but it works. And I'm on a Zoom call with my friend. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you ingredients to make that stuff. Yay. So I'm gonna get back with the ingredients. Okay guys, so I'm in my bathroom and so
I need to make a YouTube channel, but I can't.
Yeah. So what you're gonna need is a glove. This one is already used because I ran out of gloves. I needed to get more. So what I'm gonna do, you don't want to do this to the real glove. You don't want to do this to the real glove, but I'm just gonna cut that off. So now I have this, but do not cut off it. So now you're gonna like.
Okay, bye guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe.
No, shut up. Okay. Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna use this container. I'm gonna basically.
Big thumbs up.
Be quiet. Okay, so now this is gonna be a weird ingredient. So first you need Dawn dish soap. You're gonna like make a potion. And now.
Hey guys, make sure to hit that
Shut up. Now you're gonna put toothpaste.
Notifications.
This is weird. I told you guys it was gonna be weird. Now you're gonna put any type of shampoo. I'm putting pet shampoo.
That's dog shampoo, Melanie.
I know. It worked a bunch last time. Now you're gonna put any foamy ingredient in it.
I'm wasting dog shampoo.
Well, that was only for my hamster. And he cleans himself. He cleans himself with sand. So now you're gonna stir that up.
Okay, bye guys. Make sure to hit that.
Shut up!
Give us a big thumbs
Okay,
up.
that doesn't matter. Well, yeah, big thumbs up. But
Thanks for watching. Turn the video and get on.
be quiet. Okay, now you're just gonna mix that up. Now that is really foamy. You're gonna get a funnel. I already have a normal funnel, so I'm gonna get a different one, I guess. Okay. I even wasn't recording. What? Okay, well, yeah, I have the mixture, and I have to put the thing over the glove like that. Are you
Okay
okay?
guys, so since it broke a little bit, I'm gonna now put it in a container so I can use it as a stress ball filler.
Okay, now I'm just pouring that in there like that. I'm gonna put it in every finger.
Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a big thumbs up.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Well, if you did make it this far in the video, which is very annoying, I'm really sorry, and I really apologize if you're really annoyed.
Mallory, I thought you were my friend.
I am your friend. No, by me just doing this. And, okay, now you're gonna pick it up. Okay.
Give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
I feel like this is a bad idea because there's a hole in the
It
thumb.
probably is a bad idea. Word, I can get this.
Oh my gosh, okay.
This thing.
Oh my gosh, there you go. You have,
Okay.
you have this.
Rubbermaid hanger. This,
Yay.
with some stress ball filler, and yeah, it's half blue, it's half baby blue, it's half neon blue. What? What'd you do?
You got... It popped everywhere. No, she's not. At least if I clean it up.
Okay, guys. So now.
Okay, now we're gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning up this whole mess. I don't know how to do time lapse, so this is gonna take a while.
You wanna be adding
Okay,
water?
I'm disgusting. I like my potion failed.
A little water. Okay, guys, you have to add a little water for you guys.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. I ate cereal this morning.
Okay, I'm putting some salt.
Like and subscribe if you saw me have do that thing. You can't comment because it won't let me.
Like and subscribe for video.
Like and subscribe, or let me see, or this thing will bite you at night.
They always do that.
Yeah. We'll probably get no views though.
Right? Because this tarantula is going to eat you.
Okay, I'm just gonna make the thumbnail. So let me Okay, that's the thumbnail. Oh, the water's hot. My water getting colder. That's so mean. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go post this video. Okay guys, if you're enjoying this video, please like and say bye, Abby.
Bye. I'm out.
Okay, bye. Oh wait, no.